Hello and welcome. Today we learn how to fix common Windows issue using the Windows repair command. Have you ever noticed a strange error on Windows PC? The system file checker command can help you get rid of them. It scans and repairs corrupted or missing system files. Here's how to use it. First, open command prompt with administrative privilege. Press the Windows key, search for command prompt. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Then type FSC /SCANNOW and press Enter. The command will scan your system files and compare them to good version stored on your computer. After the scan, you'll get a report on the repaired files and those that couldn't be fixed. If some files cannot be fixed, use the DISM tool. Open command prompt with administrative privilege again, then type DISM /ONLINE /CLEAN-RESTOREHELPH and press Enter. This will repair your system using Windows Update. After DISM finishes, run SFC /scannow again to ensure everything is fixed. That's it. Using the system file checker command, we can help troubleshoot and fix common Windows issues. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.